Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
You need to know there are two uncertainties. One is the accuracy of plus minus 1%, and then after that there's a fluctuation here, so that is a random error. So you need to find the random error first by adding these two and dividing by 2 to find the average, then you get 3.06. So to find the random error, you take the biggest minus the average, so then you will get your answer is 0.02. so that is your random error. So your value will therefore be 3.06 plus minus 0.02, but this is only due to the random error. But since you have an accuracy of plus minus 1%, so 1% of your this value gives you 0.03. So there's another uncertainty of 0.03. So the two uncertainties you must add up together, so you get 0.05. So your final answer will be 3.06 plus minus 0.05.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.